Welcome to Mailware Multi-Channel Manager. This section covers process orders. Process orders is the system that you use to batch process orders that you've taken on the telephone, downloaded from your web store or marketplaces like Amazon, auctions like eBay, etc. When you download orders, they'll appear in one of two places by default. Either process payments if payments have not been applied already. In Mailware, you can simply click Authorize and it will go through and approve this with your credit card provider. We support dozens of those. Once they're approved, or if they've come down already approved, they'll move to the invoicing stage. At this stage, you can print invoices, packing lists, pick lists, labels, whatever you like. We have an invoice set up for the demo. So you can see all the different invoices that are available here for these customers. Simply print them, and when you're done, you can either process at that point to move to the shipping stage, or you can box wand. Box wand is a process where you can specify for an order the items that are going into the box. You can either wand those directly in, or it is possible to key those. We'll keep track of the items as you add them to the order and let you know if the box is complete before submitting it to shipping. When you're done, you can close this. I don't have any items to wand. And then you can still click Process for any items that are left in the list. Process will mark these as having moved. When we refresh the list, we can see they're gone. And in the shipping stage, these items are now ready to go to your shipping station. You can either use the Mailware shipping module here to manage each one of these. You can click any one, go directly to the order and make changes, ship it out, etc. Or, and this is the most preferred method, Mailware can speak directly to various packages like UPS WorldShip, FedEx Manager, Indicia, and several others, so that as soon as an order appears in Mailware, it's also available on those products. Then you simply wand or key in the order number at those stations, and your information is already there for the customer. All you need to do is print out the label, put it on the dock to be picked up, and you're done. At the end of the day, when you process end of day in each of those packages, they can write automatically back to Mailware, specify at the order level that the order has shipped, input the tracking number, and that information can be uploaded with our multi-channel manager, which is covered elsewhere in another tutorial, on your website. So your order status is available there for your customers to see, all automatically. You can also use our built-in email notification system if you like, to indicate to the customer that their order is shipped, give them a clickable tracking number, etc. It's also good for backorder notifications. So this is a full batch processing system. In addition, there's some other features within this that are useful. We have a basic import of orders. This is separate from our MCM, which is an automatic download of orders, upload of products, etc. In this case, you can download a CSV file or grab it from an FTP site, specify the mapping for each of the fields, and when you import these orders in, they will come in directly. I'll change this to an existing file so we can see the fields that are coming in. Field 3 is John, field 4 is Smith, that's first and last name. You can see where we've mapped those here. Once you've set up that import, which is a one-time thing, it's very easy to do, you can click Import when the file is available, and it will create an editable grid here with the products and the orders information coming in. You can make changes if you like, delete, etc. And when you're ready, click Custom Match to prevent any duplication of customers. We will look and see if that customer already exists, and then process to create actual orders in the system, which you can edit if you like. So it's another way to bring in orders from a CSV file. Lastly, there's a fill backorder section, and in this case, if any orders were in backorder status, they would list here automatically. You typically run this right after receiving inventory because you now have product available, and simply click Fill. If there were any orders in the list here, they would automatically be filled until you ran out of products, starting from the oldest and working up. And those back-ordered items are released into the queue to have payments processed, invoices printed, shipping, etc. In addition to the process orders, you can also see your orders in the ordered list. Any orders that download will appear here. And this gives you the ability to sort by certain fields simply by dragging them up. You can see your by order date, etc. So it gives you another way to view your orders and see what's come down from your web stores, what you've keyed in, etc. That concludes the process orders section of the Mailware multi-channel tutorials.